Joy's True here at Bikeman Performance. Today we're talking about some cool products that we have for the General 1000. So first I'll start with our clutching. We have like 3 different stages of clutching. We have stage 1, 2, and 3, and we also have sniper versions within that. The sniper versions will really grab the belt harder initially and perform better. In the dyno test, they've actually maintained horsepower further out, and they really stabilize the horsepower graph. So that's our clutching. Around back here we have our slip-on exhaust, which we've designed to make the most horsepower possible. 4-strokes get pretty loud if you open them up with a really straight through muffler. So we've done some cool things inside the muffler to make it a lot quieter than it would be if it was just a straight through. And we're also playing with some cool color combinations for the color on here. So definitely look at the website and see what we have available for that. And then inside the engine, we have our world famous tuning where we make the engine run nice and reliable, run cool, get the most power possible, and make this thing be the driving experience that you're really looking for, and maximize its output to the ground, and keep a smile on your face and your passenger's face. I'm gonna hop in this thing and fire it up. Check out all our cool products for the General at bikemanperformance.com.